Alright guys, we are here at one of the irrigation canal and I set my traps last night, so we're back here checking it out. Okay, let me pull it out and we'll see what happens. Alright buddy, wait, that's it? That's it, huh? It's just 4. I guess we only got 4. Alright, well, we're gonna go to our next trap and we're probably gonna take this cage or this trap to a different location tonight, and then we'll come back tomorrow and check it out. I don't think there's much here anyway, so. Alright guys, we're at our second trap and we'll see what we got. Ooh, we got more in this one. And there's a snail in there too. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, not bad. About 8. Alright, we're gonna take these out and we're gonna take these traps to a different irrigation canal. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Alright guys, we're heading out to the new location and hopefully we get a bunch tomorrow. Let's see if there's any. I'm sharing a liaj on it. Like your liaj or the one play na California na. Your liaj na mo chuyên tao hiện na đó xem mà là cho á lại chú chú này nhé. Chú cho nên bây giờ là một chú bắt tay đua nè. Nó một cái chờ ở lúc bắt tay nó chơi. Tao mua cầu tay tu sứ. Nó cũng bây giờ cho hà đây nó cũng mua ở từ cửa ở từ đây. Gì mua hay nè, giờ nhảy giờ bắt tay một đầu cho chơi ở từ đây chơi nó, chỉ mà cho nên bên nó sai nè, ta kỳ giờ lý nó chơi được ăn tu sủa nè, chơi bắt đầu cho mọi người nó nè, nó lia lia nè, bây giờ cho tìm nó bên sai nè chơi, để cho lia nó ăn tàu trên tiền nè. Okay, I'm setting one of my trap here and then one on that canal. I'm sure there's a lot more in these 2 canals because I was here yesterday and I saw a whole bunch. So, alright guys, we're back here the next morning and we'll see what we have. That's it? How many? Oh, there's a bunch in there. That's small though. Okay, not bad. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Alright guys, we're at our next location. We'll see what we have. Alright. Check them out, huh? Man, a bunch of small ones. Alright, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 8 in there. Alright, well, that's it for my crawdad trapping for the weekend. And we'll try again next week.